I hate you. I hate that you're so stupid and can't get any hints. I hate how you don't care about me, and I hate your stupid face and your dumb smile.
You love me, don't ya?
Yes, and I'm mad about it.
Ruru!
For the last time, stop calling me that.
But you can always call me Kiki.
Isn't that your name?
I always thought Ruru was your name. Hey, Error! Let's have kids.
No, we're not even in a relationship.
Well, what am I going to do with these then?
And how the fuck did you get these kids?
Well, Error, when two people love each other very much.
Never mind, I don't even know what I asked.
You really hit me hard with that one, Ruru. Error? What's wrong? Wasn't it your goal to kill me? That's your whole story. You want to destroy everything. Please stop crying. Error, it's so OC for you. Huh? Did our fights really mean that much to you? I suppose that's my fault. I'm sorry. It had to end this way, Error. But if it means anything, I love you too. No kissing in the halls.
Yes, dear.
So, are you...
I want to rail you so fucking hard right now.
What? You're extra hot today. Good morning, Dream.
I think your thought and speech bubbles are mixed up, Gross.
Could you really love me when I look like this?
Don't worry. There is absolutely no problem.